Family members in Arabic. Abun, father. Abun, father. Ummun, mother. Ummun, mother. Ibnun, son. Ibnun, son. Ibnatun, daughter. Ibnatun, daughter. Akhun, brother. Akhun, brother. Uktun, sister. Uktun, sister. Jaddun, grandfather. Jaddun, grandfather. Jaddatun, grandmother. Jaddatun, grandmother. Thank you.